So today we're just going to go through term 4, week 1, question 3. So the question goes, James is a local farmer who has an apple farm. And on the apple farm, he collects 100 apples on the first day, 999 apples on the next day, 98 apples on the day after, and so on. How many apples does he have on the farm? So if you were to find out, if you were to lay it out, it would look like this: 100 on the first day, plus 99, plus 98, and so on. Now, the way to do this is this. First, let's scale it down and look at it in terms of a smaller set of data. So what if we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5? Now, we can just simply add them, but is there a faster way? And the way to look at it is see if there's any way we can pair them up. Well, what happens if we take the smallest number and the biggest number and add them together? You get 6. Then the next smallest, the next largest, and you get 6. And then you get 3. So what happened there? We got 6 plus 6 plus 3, which is equal to 15. Now, it's hard to see the pattern here, but how about if we extrapolate it onto something bigger? The pattern works with here, but I'll show it to you in a slightly bigger one. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Now you add them together, you get 7, 7, 7, 3 times, which adds up to 21. Now, what do we see? There are exactly 3 sets of the same number, and that is exactly half, or the number of pairs we have in our sequence. So what do we find? We find that if we take the largest number and the smallest number and you add them, you get a number, and if you multiply by the half of the number of numbers we have, which is 3, you get the total sum. And similarly here, 6 times half of 5 is 2.5, and you get 15. So back to our question, 100 plus 1 gives you 101. 101 times 50 will give you the answer 5050.